In this video, I'm going to show you how to reinstall your headlights into your Audi A4 B8. Some tips here is when you're removing it, make sure that these two screws here, you just back them off enough so that you can slide the headlight out, and you have to disconnect this little drain tube. All right, so when you reinstall, first thing you do is slide the headlight in, reinstall this, slide it through so that your brackets line up, and then reinstall all your components. So here's the headlight. I just changed the bulbs. I bought brand new Philips Xenon Extreme Visions. I installed it on both sides. So now all you do is grab the headlight. You want to put it on an angle like this, and up in an angle like that, so that it sits like this. You see that? And from here, just keep on rotating, and this headlight should just slide right into place, right? But before you do that, you need to connect the hose. So I'm going to go ahead and reinstall this hose, which is right there. I'll be right back. Okay, so I've reconnected the hose here. You can see right there. Reconnected that hose. Make sure it's seated all the way. There's no gaps here. Now I just slide everything back in. Everything lines up. Now I'm going to reinstall all the screws and turn the lights on and see if they work.